Welcome back to another video. Today we have the chainsaw. Is a 12-inch compact chainsaw, tool only. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So you got 200 plus products you can use this with. You got 90 days guarantee. It says brushless motor, battery and charger sold separately, guaranteed tough. A DCCS62OB. There it is. There's the instruction manual. So it has the guard, has the chain, pretty sharp, 12-inch, 30 centimeters. This is the adjuster, so you can take off the cover. Comes off pretty simple. That's if you need to clean the chain. And this is your tensioner. So that's one thing I like about this this saw is that it is toolless, blade changer toolless. This is to tighten and to loosen the chain. So tighten and loosen. Looks like it does have a brake. It tells you lock and unlock. These are not buttons, but that's pretty much unlock and lock. Now this saw did come in with a free 5 amp hour battery. I got this at Acme Tool. They sent me a 5 amp hour battery for $149. I got this in the battery. It does have a nice rubber grip there. It says brushless right there. You do have a lock here on the trigger, so you have to press this and then press this lock. You got model number DCCS620 chainsaw, type 2, bark length 12 inches, chain speed 7.7 ms, and it does have 25.3 ft-s replacement bar and 594322 replacement chain and 580237. Got serial number there. It says Dewalt Industrial Company, Baltimore, MD, USA, food service, information made in China. And here you got the Dewalt XR. This is for the bar oil, so you need to put bar oil on this thing. That's a must on this. A chainsaw like this, you want to keep that chain lubricated. So you lift this tab and then you unwind this or unscrew this, and it just goes out like so. It does have a stop, so you won't lose the cap. You do have a bar oil meter here on the front, so you guys see there. Nothing on the bottom. It's just plain old plastic, and then you got a hole here so you can eject all the wood chips and stuff like that. Then you do have a battery compartment here on the back. Obviously you can fit big batteries, smaller batteries, there's no limit. I do have a 6 amp hour battery here of a flex volt, so we'll stick that in there, see what happens. Got a flexible battery here. It does no lights or anything. You can check there's only one bar on this one, but I'll go ahead and charge it up before I use it. But yeah. So I guess it does have like a soft start, and then it goes to a full blast, as you guys hear it. You guys hear it? And it does take a couple seconds for it to stop. I'm gonna go ahead and put the chain brake on and see how long it takes for it to stop immediately. So That's a good thing, a good safety measure here. So yeah, let's go take this outside and try it outside. Alright, we're gonna be putting some oil in here, some chain bar oil, and we're just gonna put a little bit in here. We're not gonna put a lot because we're not gonna be cutting. We're just gonna put minimum because we're not gonna be cutting a whole lot, with just a few cuts here and there. Alright, this is a dried up piece of wood. It's hardened. It's pretty hard piece of wood here. It's nothing that's been cut recently, so you guys know that hard, dried up piece of wood is harder to cut than just a regular fresh piece of wood. So as you guys could see, this thing's pretty good. Let's try another piece here, or another cut. Yeah, this thing's just cutting it like butter. Super razor sharp. So yeah, you can see the clean cut there. And then again, this is dried up wood already, so it's harder wood. Here's another cut here. This thing cuts pretty good. A lot of power, and I'm using a 5 amp hour battery, so, and battery's battery gauge still full, and we're just gonna do a couple cuts here with the palm tree. I know it's dirty, there's dirt in here and all kinds of debris, so that's not good for the chainsaw because obviously it goes dull. But we're just gonna do a couple cuts here, and it's just basically cutting it through like nothing basically. So now we're gonna cut this stump here. It's dried up piece of stump that from a tree, old tree that I have left over, and you guys are seeing it's just cutting it through like butter. So it's a great saw, definitely recommend it. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTubers are platform by subscribers and likes. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.